2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer, MP3 player, power door locks, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.